Once you have taken social styles, a way that you can continue to use it and implement it into your daily interactions with your team and others is to log in to Tracom Learning, which is right up here in my URL bar. You'll use your username and password that you use to take your profile. If you don't remember it, you can always click Forgot Username or Password. If you've already taken the profile, you won't be able to register. You'll have to use that username and password that you used previously because it's going to actually pull your report. So once you have your username and password and jump through those hoops, if you don't know it, you'll select login. And when you log in, what you're going to find is your profile report that you can download. You can also then apply social style program strategies to workplace scenarios. So if I view this, I can take a look at what we call the Social Style Advisor. And I can go through and I can look at some different challenges or tasks that I have. So for example, if you are managing a virtual team, which many of us are, we can select Managing Virtual Team. I can select my style. Let's pretend my style is amiable, and I'm fairly certain that the person on my team that I work with pretty closely, I'm fairly certain is analytical. And remember, go back to the two dimensions, the asking versus telling, emoting versus controlling, and really think about how do their interactions come across. Look at some of the characteristics, and you're not pigeonholing people, you're not putting them in a box, you're just evaluating the behavior that you observe on a regular basis. So let's say that I think they're analytical. I can then select Get Advice, and I can get some tips and tricks around running virtual meetings, communicating and checking in, and what might be helpful for them. I can go back up to Advice, and I can look at any of the other conflict management. I could look at some sales tasks. Again, I could use these if I'm working with a customer or a client. And then I can also look at some individual tasks, handling a difficult conversation. And I can go through and pull up exactly what I need with some tips and tricks for that particular style. So I hope this is helpful. This is a really quick way to incorporate social styles into your everyday interactions and go well beyond the training that you took.